car wash money going here. Let's spray that pig out. Guys are pretty handy. And this is what we were looking for, I think. Okay. Now let's see. Let me hop my butt back up in here. Okay. Now we'll see if we can get in there. Yeah, she did. It's heavy though. Still has the powder in it. Just no propellant. That's where the old thermostat ended up yesterday. You can hang out with the fire extinguisher. never do this when you're about to go to the car wash, but I had to come to the parts store, so I'm gonna squirt a little schmutz. Kind of takes your breath away a little bit. I'm just kind of hitting it, so then when I go to the car wash, maybe it'll flush down their drain. Like I said, don't do what I do. Got some other goodies too. Dokie, we made it. Guess I better roll the windows up, huh? We don't want to get any water inside. Come on. I'm gonna have to work on these stupid seatbelts. And the door, can't hardly get out. Okay, let's see what we got here. What are we working with? Coin only. Okay. Whoa. Fall out. Hey, there's a free brush. Awesome. Gosh, dang it. I am not good at doing things too. Holding the camera. Really, really not good. Come on, baby. Do we think our degreaser has had enough time to work? Going 100 yards? Probably not. Let's see, 12 minutes. That should be enough. Put our life savings back in the bag. I guess the joke is on me that damn, that degreaser didn't work worth a damn. That lady was looking at me like, what the hell are you doing? Okay.
And then I've had a tin cup, and then 2 years ago we bought one of Prescott that I'm never going to let go now. It's very sad.
She just wanted to talk about the Samurai. You know, I had an '03 Cobra that was like, you know, the Terminator Cobras, the badass ones, and this thing was so cool. And I think I've already in like 1 or 2 days had as many people stop me to talk about this thing as the whole time I owned that damn thing. I'm going to pull the seat out because I cannot seem to adjust it very well. Doesn't want to.
is this your latest purchase, Adam?
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
Good, I guess I'll throw her back in, and everything seems to be lubed up. I don't know. It didn't want to work inside. Try it again. Beat. Oh, the bolt fell through the car. At some point I will be taking out this whatever the coating is on here and redoing it with like a bed liner. You can take dry ice and put it on there and it just crumbles right out, so that actually shouldn't be too bad. Let me see. Oh my goodness, it went back somewhat. Ow. Okay, bolt, you want to go in there? Okay, that's 3 out of 4. Is that one gonna go? Come on, bolt. You can do it. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Okay. That's an AC Delco. They're not as they don't spin as fast, but they actually have quite a bit of torque compared to like Milwaukee and DeWalt and all those other ones. Okay, let's see if we can get these tight. I want to say the torque was 55 pounds on this guy, something like that. And I think you can pull an additional, I can't remember, once it locks up you can do like 70 something by hand before you break it. I try not to do too much, but okay. Alrighty. Well, that ain't supposed to do that, so what's going on with that? Oh, jeez. Let me set the thing back up. Now I gotta fix that. Oh yeah. Brush from the car wash. Where is the mechanism? Okay. Here's all the notches. Make sure that's nice and lubed. Cool. All that good. Whoop, spit all over that. Jesus. Okay, where does she go? Is that how it goes? Anybody watch? Okay, now if I can actually lithium grease. Just ran out. One click. Groovy right there. I'm just trying to, I bought some paint for it. Some, like interior paint. So this is just alcohol. I was going to clean it with some other stuff, but I don't want to get anything like on there that would keep the paint from sticking, you know. But if this turns out too good, I might not need to paint it. What do you think?
Will these peel off?
Oh yeah, that's just Velcro, probably.
For the radio.
Might have had the CD or something
Yeah.
right there. Man, that cleans up.
This cleaner. I can't believe how good the dash is in this thing.
I know, no cracks in
That's a nice one.
Arizona. Crazy.
That's just craziness.
Right. But yeah, I got the seat, man. I couldn't even adjust it yesterday. It was really hard to drive with the clutch as high up as the release point is.
Here's the end for your CB antenna.
Yep. Yeah, it's on it.
Breaker 19. Is there any?
I'll say it. I'll say it.
Smokies up there?
Yeah. I thought you were going to be talking like Lot Wizard, kind of.
I don't know, it's in my nature.
I know how you are.
That's how cowboys are, buddy.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? That's just the way we roll.
Oh, I know. Oop.
You're going to love this thing, Adam, and you're not going to want to.
I know.
You're going to go, oh, I love
It-
this.
You should drive it. It's fun as hell.
No, man.
I have my dad drive it.
I think I'm at the ranch in one of those go-karts. ATVers or give me a little shot of that and I'll give you a hand.
This might not even. I may try to fix this. Some fabric or something. I just need something flexible to tie. I think I will paint it though.
You know, these little vents pop out at them.
Yeah, you can replace all four of them for pretty cheap.
No, I mean, I'm just saying you pop them out there and go put them in some water and clean them. They look new. They're all in nice, good shape.
They don't break while I pop them out.
Well, then you can replace them.
Yep.
You got more money than I do.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, Adam, you're going to like this thing, and you'll be up elk hunting next year in it. It'll be great in the forest. You people don't understand when you're up there in the forest. You buy those Hummers and all that stuff.
Oh, you can't go anywhere.
You can't turn them around.
Right.
You know, even a little CJ5 or 6. These little things, they go right between trees. If you had to go retrieve your game, you get a hell of a lot closer in them. And they're like little mules that go up anything.
Sounds like you're starting to like it.
I do. I like it for the ranch.
Yesterday, you were.
I'm a F-150 Ford man in town.
You're going to town rig as a F-150?
That's a F-150. There with those Dodges, they fall apart.
So last night I was looking. You can buy, because this has a key to it, you can get this, both door key cylinders, the rear door key cylinder, and the whole ignition mechanism, you know, keyed with a set of keys for like 35 bucks.
I don't know.
You can get a rebuild, an engine rebuild kit, you know, like the one Bo has for his 4Runner,
Yeah.
with pistons, rings, all that, like 150 bucks,
You got
gaskets and everything.
You
And
got
then,
a kid was like overhauling a lawnmower.
and you can, right, and then you can get, like, if you want to go even more in depth, you can get a kit with a crank and a cam, or this might, yeah, I think it's only one cam, yeah, for $300 or $400 bucks.
And how many horsepower does it give you?
Oh, probably whatever it was stock. 60,
Can you buy a
67?
Camp? Can you beat these little pigs up?
Oh, I don't know. I think this one's beefed up because it's got that header.
Yeah,
It probably has at least 70. You can feel it. I'm telling you.
It's got a Weber carburetor on it too.
Yeah. At least the Weber air cleaner.
Yeah, I think the carburetor's that.
All right. That paint that I bought, I'm going to do a little test piece here. This is just the glove box. Just wiping her down with some alcohol. It's actually a really good color match. I couldn't believe it when I held it up to it, because they only have like 3 or 4 colors with that Advanced Auto that I went to. So let me grab that stuff. I will shoot it. This is the stuff here. Kind of pricey. I think it's like 13 or 15 bucks a can. Anyway, pretty cool that you can like paint seats and stuff with it. Looks a little blotchy. I'll let that dry for a minute and come back. Hit it one more time. Looks like there's a scratch in it. I think I'm going to try to salvage that. Get like a little piano hinge or something for it, and no sense in buying a new one. It's just going to break. It's like literally they're use the plastic as a hinge, so once you open it and close it a certain number of times, it just snaps right off. Anyway, I'll be right back. It was rolled up in my pocket, but this is what I paid for that paint. $14.50 for the bumper stuff, and then this stuff right here was $13.79. This, I just popped the cover off. That's what she looks like. I'm going to replace that with an LED. I have a bunch of these. I bought them off the TikTok shop. And I've done several vehicles with them. So, gives you both sizes. Give me a sec. Okay, so the little guy right here is the one that we need. So I'm going to put that in. I'm recording. Alright. See if I can pop this little guy out of there. LEDs only work one direction, so if it doesn't work, pop it in the other way. There we go. It might be slightly bigger than the other one. That's quite a bit brighter, I think. Sweet.
Oh yeah.
It's all about the freebies. I love.
It's a lot better.
Yeah, it's quite a bit brighter. Should be dry enough. I'll just try to be careful with it. It's pretty greasy. I don't always do the smartest things. Alright. I sprayed some schmutz in this, so should be working a lot better with the key now. Okey-doke. Okay, she's locked. There it goes. So turn it that way, it stays, and then you go like that, it goes back to center. So let's go put this guy back in. Missed a little bit of paint right there, but this will be a good test. Alright, it's getting a little dark, but I think tell? Yeah, that's a pretty close, pretty close color. Wow, I think that'll make this dash look nice and refreshed. So we'll do that tomorrow. I didn't want this thing to get stolen. I noticed last night how easy it would be to steal one of these, so I put this little battery disconnect on. And I also fixed the hood deal in here, so I'll probably lock this tonight. I put the nut back on the back of it. It was just kind of dangling, so I'll lock this up, which that's not going to deter anyone, I know, but okay. Plus I got insurance on it today, so if it gets stolen, I'll get $50 or whatever. Anyways, Wayne and I popped this out because, you know, we were cleaning the dash, and now it stays lit up. So I gotta figure that out now. Nothing else is lit up. Even the dome light is not. I think if I open this door, that dome light will come. Yeah, oh, it does. And that beeps. But anyway, I guess I can just maybe undo this wire. I'm really good at wiring, but I have not messed with this yet. I was pushing buttons earlier, so maybe, I don't know, I think this is just a clock. I think that says H and M for hour and minute. I guess back then a clock was like necessary. I just saw one on Craigslist and he had gauges here and here. That looked kind of cool. So he had 3 different sets of gauges. But anyway, I guess I'll mess with this tomorrow. I'm gonna probably replace that with this guy, which is a lot smaller. So I'll just have to put like a piece of ABS plastic or something there. But anyway, this, you pop this open and it gives you 2 USB chargers. And in the middle right here, you can't even tell, but that gives you your voltage output. So it'll say like 14.3 or whatever while you're going down the road. So I think that will go right here instead of this clock. So I'm not going to worry about it too much for tonight. It's not going to draw any power because, like I said, I just put this cheesy little battery disconnect that I also got off TikTok shop. I'm just going to undo that, and then when I close the hood, it won't be drawing any power. So alrighty, I guess this probably wraps it up for day 2. What did we do today? We cleaned her out, vacuumed it, took it to the car wash, sprayed off the let's see how clean we got those steering knuckles. Not very, probably. Didn't do a whole lot. And I was working on this steering shock too for quite a while at the car wash. And then that lady came up and we started talking. Wow, yeah, that still has a lot of grease everywhere. And I did purchase the seals for these today. So I ordered a lot of stuff. I got the soft top. I got that. I got new handles for the outside. I got new handles for these, new handles for these, new window cranks. I got a ashtray. I ordered the stock that comes with the right and left side levers. So, but I actually did get that kind of working. Let me show you where we ended last night. I was messing around with that. Tonight they're kind of working. So let me turn the ignition on. And my dumbass needs to reconnect the battery. Okay, that's connected. We'll just end every night like this, okay? So, there's parking lights, and all I did was rotate 1, 2, and then we'll go forward. That's brights. We'll go down. We got left turn signal. And we'll go up for right turn signal. So anyways, pretty cool. I mean, I'm replacing that anyway just because it comes, you know, they'll be brand new and you'll be able to actually read all this stuff and everything. So, let's see here. That does not illuminate with this. Huh. I don't know what the deal is with that clock, but okay, well, that's gonna do it for day 2. We will see what day 3 brings tomorrow. I snuck back out here. I'm gonna spray these off and let them soak overnight. I'm still using the same crap, this purple power stuff. So we'll see. No. I want the stream. There we go. Alright. Yeah, amazing. I swear that thing's like disposable. It's the first time I've ever used it. I just touched it one time and it broke, so I kind of glued it back together and then went to use it again right now and it broke again. So I'm just curious if I let this sit all night, if I come back in the morning and it comes right off. Oh, I'm gonna get a third piece of cardboard. Got another piece of cardboard over here so I could do this shock thing. Because that didn't come clean either. Let's see, spray here. I'll just spray everything down. It like melts the whole damn thing. I come out in the morning and there's nothing left. That's probably what's gonna happen. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in, and this phone that I'm recording on, I have to try to change the screen on it because I broke it the other day doing that brake job on that 4Runner. So if I break the phone trying to replace the screen, then this might be the last you see of me for a little bit. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully we'll see you again tomorrow.